everyone, welcome to the video. This video is going to be inspired by Troye Sivan's new song Bloom, which is like all cute and flowery. It's like a very cute like love song kind of thing, but not really because he makes like really vibey tunes. And I'm a big fan, so I decided to do a look inspired by it. And he's like been releasing a lot of promo pics that have been like pink and green and stuff, so I did like a very pink look with some like old glitters and stuff because I don't know, it just felt real cute. So yeah, this is the look. Comment if you want to see other like music video inspired looks, and yeah, that's all I can say really, so let's get into it. Hi everyone! So first off, what I'm going to do is prime my little facey face. My friend got me a full-size version of the Porefessional. And I am ecstatic to say the least, because I have been using, oh my, tons of liquid just came out of that. I have been using the travel size version for about a century, because all I do is buy travel size versions of things, which isn't the right way to go about it. Like, I don't know. I mean, like, I guess there's no wrong way to go about things, but like, I feel like I end up blowing my money more because I spend so much more money on travel sizes, thinking it's saving me money when it's not. I'm gonna be using the Infallible Proglow. The reason I am doing this look is because I am a huge Troye Sivan fan. But I've been a fan of him for like a long time, and I have been waiting for new music for centuries. I know my just came out, but I need more. So the second this song came out in the little like lyric video and stuff, I literally was like in the kitchen with my roommates when this song came out, and I was like, I'm sorry, I need to listen to this in peace right now. So that's what happened, but no, I knew I needed to like film a look inspired by it because it's so colorful and springy and cute, and this song makes me want to dance. Oh, it's just so good. So yeah, that weird like robot thing in the video is like super like glowy and like shiny, so we're going for like a pretty done up sort of look. But I don't know, I have a lot of glitter on this vanity desk of mine, so we're gonna see where this takes me. And then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set under the eyes. That's nothing new. I have this idea of what I want to do, but I'm going to do cream contour first. Oh my word! That's just like a ball of it. Oh my. We're doing a weird contour shape. It's something. I don't know. Literally so much squirted out, and I have so much left over on my hands. Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna blend out that nose contour first. I'm gonna blend up, just because that gives you a little bit more of a risen cheekbone effect. I'm going to get onto the eyes, which are going to be a little wild, I feel like. Speaking of wild, Troye Sivan's old album and now his new music. Oh god. The glow up is so cute. Look. I can't believe that Wild literally came out like so long ago. I still bought that album as if he literally just released it. And that's not even like a joke, like I literally listened to that album or not wild, blue neighborhood, constantly. I'm gonna take Unity from the Anastasia Prism palette, and it's sort of just like this yellow shade. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but it's cool. I'm gonna take Saturn from the Prism palette, and I'm going to sweep that color like all through, basically. Like, we're gonna take this from here down here all the way into here. Yeah, that's what's happening with this. I'm gonna take this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is like this orange one, and I'm gonna take that on the same brush, and I'm gonna use that on top of this just to sort of blend out the edges a little bit. Now I'm going to take a mix of Love Letter and red. Actually, no, I'm just gonna take Love Letter because I want to be wild, basically. I'm gonna take it on this sort of brush and tap off the excess and just go in the crease and sort of go underneath this red, basically, or the Saturn shade. Then I'm going to take Saturn again and blend the edges. I'm going to take this Inglot Pure Pigment eyeshadow in 85. I'm going to take the Duraline and we're going to mix this on the back of our hand, basically. And I don't know, I'm trying to be very like creative with what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to mix a little bit of Sugarpill Clickbait loose eyeshadow into it, just to add a little bit of more of that blue sort of hue, if you get what I'm saying. It's like a very shimmery blue cut crease. And I'm going to do that on the other eye. I'm just going to dip in a little bit into Clickbait and apply that on top. Just in the front though, I'm not like taking it out. Just because I want the front to be light and cute. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the two Heavy Metal glitters from Urban Decay and Catcall and Spandex. I'm going to take the blue one in the front and then drag, no, I'm going to take the pink one in the front and then, no, yeah, I'm going to take the pink one in the front and then drag the blue one out, I think. Or maybe we'll mix the two, we'll see. I'm just going to take the pink one all the way, and then if I want to add the blue on top, I will. I'm going to take a little bit of Love Letter and just blend a little bit, and then, oh no. I'm going to take Sphere from this palette, and I'm going to apply that in this little space right here. And now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to take Saturn. I also just realized this isn't a pencil brush. This is a square flat brush. And then I'm going to take Love Letter. And I'm going to blend the edges with that orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take a little bit of this gold Magnificent Metals glitter from Stila and put that on the back of my hand. I'm going to put that on top of the green thing, the green color. And then while doing that, I'm going to drag it sort of down, almost in like a tear sort of motion. Looks like we're crying glitter. And I'm going to take a little bit of that blue heavy metal glitter and mix it in with that gold and bring that just lightly on top of this lower lash line sort of situation. Just because I wanted blue glitter somewhere. I can't really figure out what I want to do with the rest of the look, so I'm going to go off camera and apply lashes and then come back and see what I want to do. So I'm going to apply Crave lashes in Cookies and Cream, and I'll be back. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply eyeliner on the waterline. And I'm going to take Urban Decay's Mars, which is a green one. For the rest of it, I don't know. I want like more glitter, but I just don't know. So I'm going to do blush and stuff, and then if I'm still feeling more glitter, we'll go to that. But this is sort of how the eyes are for now. So for blush, I'm going to do like a ton of different blushes, which I know is sort of wild to say. My voice is giving out. No, I just really want like it to be super, super blushy and like flowery, you know? So first I'm gonna take Terrace by Anastasia, and this shade is already too dark for me, so it's kind of perfect. And I'm gonna put that sort of on top of the contour, because yeah, like actually like everywhere I think. And then I'm going to take actually I'm gonna take Spoiled. I was gonna do different blushes that I have, but these blushes are just so consistent and good that okay. And then I'm going to take Milani Luminoso, just because I want a little bit more of a peachy sort of shimmery vibe. I have Birthday Soup by Starcrushed Minerals, which is pretty good. So I think I'm going to do that. Oh man. So for lips, I'm doing Urban Decay's Peyote, YSL 70, and Becca's Lip Topper in Champagne Dream. So that wasn't exactly like the lip color I wanted, so I'm taking Jeffree Star's Chrysanthemum. So I wanted more glitter because I was feeling it, so I put Stardust Minerals Carpe Diem glitter, which is like a blue silver boy. And I also put the little Becca lip gloss on top, and this is actually the whole look. So she's living her best life, really. But this is the whole look, inspired by Troye Sivan's new song. Oh, I just got glitter all over my finger. Super like vibey and pink and stuff because his music video had all those cute little colors and shit. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff because I don't know, it helps me out. And I don't know, send this to Troye Sivan, so that'd be cool. But yeah, this is the whole look. Thank you for watching. I'm actually really vibing with it. It's very creative and out there, which I don't really do. And yeah, thank you so much. Okay, see you later. Bye.